Hey guys, welcome to this video. Today I'll be showing you how you can add an admin to a Facebook page. So go open your Facebook profile, tap on the profile icon in the lower right. And here under all shortcuts, tap on pages. And choose the page that you want to add an admin into. For example, this one. The next thing you want to do is tap on settings. And then here, tap on page roles. As you can see, the admins are listed here, but tap on add person to page and just input your password. And then you can basically just type the person that you want to be an admin of the page of. So for example, tap admin and then add. As you can see, it says here pending people. So the person that you chose would have an option to either accept or decline the page role, and if they do accept the role, then they would just be your admin to the page. Thank you guys for watching. I hope this helped, and we will see you in the next video.